Okay, this is a pretty simple hack, but also pretty awesome. So really I'm just going to start with a powered speaker amplifier. So it plugs in. It could be battery powered, it doesn't matter. But you can turn it on, and then you should have a volume control on it. And this one has a little earphone jack. You plug this into your phone, if your phone has that, or whatever you want to plug it into, and you can hear stuff. This is a solar cell. I got this off of a battery powered outdoor light. It had this on the top that would charge the battery, and then it would glow at night. I took it off. So I'm not showing that part. You can find these all over the place. You can buy them at a hobby store or whatever. So it has two leads. It's got one's plus and one's minus, and there were wires there, but I took those off. Okay, so now you don't need these. I'm just using them because it makes it easier. I have two alligator clips. It's just an easier way to hook up the wires. I'm going to hook up this to this. Okay, so here it's already on. Here's my earphone jack. This is a stereo speaker, so it's actually two different wires. I want to use this wire and then the middle one, so you can see right there. So I'm going to connect one of the wires right here and one right there. If you wanted to, you could cut this, and then you'd see four wires in here, and you could take it apart. I'm just going to do it quick. Okay, so I'm going to take my alligator clip. I'm going to clip it onto here, like that. I'm going to take my other one. The colors don't matter. You could solder this on or whatever you want to do to attach it. So now I have that. I'm just going to put it on the table. And now I'm going to take this. I'm going to hook this in the middle, just like that. I'm going to hook this one on the end. Can you hear that? Oh, it went down. This, you are hearing the fluorescent lights above, and they turn on and off every 60 times a second, so you can hear that. Watch what happens when I cover this up. Okay, pretty awesome. Now wait. Here's a TV remote. These have infrared light on them. I'm going to push the button and aim it at the... So this is flashing on and off. And that's how it sends the signal to the TV, and the solar cell's detecting that and playing it as a sound. So you can build something like this. You can find all sorts of interesting sounds. You're really taking the light that you see and turning it into a sound. That's what you're doing. So you can push the different buttons. Look at that. That's a cool note. Okay. And if I block it, so there you go. That's a pretty simple hack. You do need to find a solar cell. You do need to find that, but other than that, you're good to go.